Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which Indian state is the largest producer of coffee? Right answer is option C, Karnataka. Who was the first Governor General of Bengal? Right answer is option B, Warren Hastings. The Kalidas Samman, awarded by the government of Madhya Pradesh, recognizes excellence in which field? Right answer is option C, classical music, dance, and arts. What is the primary deity of the Mahabodhi temple? Right answer is option B, Lord Buddha. Which company introduced the AI model Search GPT? Right answer is option A, OpenAI. What is the name of the island located between India and Sri Lanka? Right answer is option C, Kachathivu. Who was the second Indian to pass the Indian Civil Services exam? Right answer is option B, Surendranath Banerjee. The Gnanpith Award is one of the highest literary honors in India. In which field is it awarded? Right answer is option C, literature. Who administers the management of the Tirupati Venkateshwara temple? Correct answer is option B, TTD Trust, Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams. Which country developed the world's first high speed carbon fiber train? Right answer is option D, China. Which highway connects Mumbai and Chennai? Right answer is option C, National Highway 48. Who was the first Indian ICS officer? Right answer is option C, Satyendranath Tagore. The Dhanvantri Award is given to honor excellence in which area? Right answer is option B, medical science. Which festival is famously celebrated at the Jagannath Puri temple? Correct answer is option B, Rath Yatra. In which city is Google's largest campus named Ananta located? Right answer is option C, Bengaluru. What is the name of the highest mountain peak in India? Right answer is option C, Kanchenjunga. Who was the first recipient of the Param Veer Chakra? Right answer is option B, Major Somnath Sharma. The Juliet Curie Award is presented to individuals for outstanding contributions in which field? Right answer is option A, peace. Which temple is renowned for its musical pillars that produce musical notes? Right answer is option C, Vittala Temple, Hampi. Which country launched the world's fastest high speed train CR 450 prototype? Correct answer is option D, China. According to the 2011 census, what is India's female to male ratio per thousand males? Correct answer is option B, 943. Who was the first male pilot of India? Correct answer is option B, JRD Tata. The Merlin Award is globally recognized for excellence in which unique field? Right answer is option C, magic. Which temple in India is dedicated to the sun god and shaped like a chariot? Right answer is option A, Konark Sun Temple. Which year has been designated by the UN as the year of quantum science, technology, peace, and trust? Right answer is option A, 2025. In which year did telephone services begin in India? Right answer is option A, 1882. Who was the first commander in chief of the Indian Air Force? Right answer is option B, Subrata Mukherjee. The Nandi Awards are primarily associated with the cinema of which Indian language? Right answer is option C, Telugu. Kappad and Chal beaches of which Indian state received the Blue Flag certification? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Where is the Madhav National Park, India's 58th tiger reserve, located? Correct answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Which region of India receives the least annual rainfall? Right answer is option B, Ladakh. Who was the first Muslim president of India? Correct answer is option A, Zakir Hussain. The Mahavir Chakra is considered which level of military honor in India? Right answer is option B, second highest. Which country recently declared the bald eagle as its national bird? Right option is B, United States. Which state recorded the highest number of vultures as per the latest census? Right option is D, Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian city has the highest population density? Correct answer is option B, Mumbai. What was the name of India's first satellite? Correct answer is option C, Aryabhatta. The Pampa Award is the highest literary award presented by which Indian state? Correct answer is option B, Karnataka. The world's largest wildlife rescue center, Vantara, was inaugurated in which state? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. On which date was World Wildlife Day celebrated in 2025? Correct answer is option C, March 3rd. Which Indian state has the most number of districts? Right answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Who was the first Indian gymnast to win a Commonwealth Games medal? Correct answer is option A, Ashish Kumar. The Ramon Magsaysay Award from the Philippines is presented in how many categories? Right answer is option C, 6. Who was honored with the Ramsar Wetland Wise Use Award as the first Indian recipient? Correct answer is option C, Jayashree Venkatesan. Which country recently became the third largest producer of biofuel globally? Correct answer is option B, India. After Hindi, which is the most widely spoken language in India? Correct answer is option B, Bengali. Who was the temporary president of the Constituent Assembly of India? Right answer is option C, Sachidananda Sinha. The Kumar Gandharva Award conferred by Madhya Pradesh is associated with excellence in which domain? Right answer is option C, classical music. Kangir Ghati National Park, recently added to UNESCO's tentative heritage list, is located in which state? Right answer is option B, Chhattisgarh. Which state is home to India's first organic fisheries cluster? Correct answer is option C, Sikkim. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.